The 1963 Studebaker Lark Daytona Convertible 289 stands as a unique blend of style, performance, and rarity, embodying the spirit of early American muscle and open-top cruising. As one of the final standout models from Studebaker before its automotive division ceased production, the Lark Daytona Convertible remains a cherished classic among collectors and enthusiasts. Under the hood, this stylish convertible was powered by a robust 289 cubic V8 engine delivering up to 225 horsepower and 305 pounds-ft of torque, paired with either a 3-speed manual transmission with an optional floor-mounted shifter or a smooth Borg-Warner automatic. It provided a lively and engaging driving experience. The power-to-weight ratio gave the Lark Daytona respectable acceleration, making it competitive against its domestic rivals despite Studebaker's smaller market presence. Its lightweight design and solid rear axle configuration allowed for nimble handling and a responsive ride, enhancing its appeal for those seeking both performance and cruising comfort. The chassis featured an independent front suspension with coil springs and a rear leaf spring setup, ensuring a balanced ride quality. Whether driving through city streets or cruising down open highways, the Lark Daytona Convertible delivered a smooth yet sporty feel. Power-assisted brakes were available as an option, providing additional stopping confidence for drivers who valued control and safety. Inside the Daytona, convertibles showcased a well-appointed cabin with bucket seats, a stylish center console, and an array of premium trim options. Designed to balance sportiness with comfort, the interior featured vinyl upholstery, chrome accents, and a classic 3-spoke steering wheel. The dashboard layout was simple yet functional, offering an easy instrument cluster and optional features such as a push-button, radio, and heater controls, making long drives more enjoyable. The open-air experience was elevated with a manually operated or optional power-folding convertible top, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of top-down motoring with ease. On the exterior, the Lark Daytona stood out with its sleek, aerodynamic design, bold badging, and chrome details. The clean-lined, sculpted hood and distinctive grille gave it a sporty yet refined appearance, while optional racing stripes and rally-style wheels enhanced its muscle car persona. The Daytona badging on the fenders reinforced its performance identity, setting it apart from the standard Lark models. If you love classic car reviews and deep dives into rare automotive gems, be sure to join the community. Your support keeps the excitement of vintage automobiles alive and fuels more thrilling content. Subscribe today and stay connected to the world of legendary vehicles.